Hello everyone. The first step towards getting somewhere is to decide you're not going to stay where you are. On this positive note, I, Ms. Purva Asgaonkar, along with my colleague, Ms. Saili Parler, welcome you all to the 12th Digital BRIMS Connect session for the month of January 2021. BRIMS Connect is a platform where all the events and achievements of the student and the faculty members are showcased. Now, let us have a look on the achievements and the updates for the month of January.
Starting with 4th January, Dr. Pallavi Chanvaskar conducted a faculty development workshop for HODs of Bandhodkar Science College on theme Bloom's Taxonomy and its applications. Workshop received excellent feedback. On 10 January, Professor Vibhuti Save completed 3rd assessment as an examiner for Ramkrishna Bajaj National Quality Award RBNQA application. From 11 to 19 January, Dr. Smita Jape, Dr. Pallavi Chanvaskar, Dr. Meenakshi Malhotra and Mr. Vaibhav Pandit successfully completed CII Assessor Training Program based on EFQM model to be a certified assessor for CII Exim Bank Award for Business Excellence. Moving ahead, on 12th January, Professor Sandeep Moge attended a webinar on celebration of Swami Vivekananda Jayanti and launching of new initiatives by AICTE on topic Cyber Security Training and Virtual Lab. On 16 January, Dr. Smita Jape was invited as panel member by St. Francis Institute of Management Studies for Intercollegiate Project Competition. Going ahead, on 17 January, Professor Krunal K. Punjani initiated and coordinated to receive the research consultancy from G.H. Raisoni Institute of Management and Research, Nagpur, on behalf of BRIMS Research FDP team. Also, on 18 January, Dr. Pallavi Chanvaskar and Dr. Smita Jape organized Foundation Program for new batch of MMS students with theme Students First, Caring for You Today, Tomorrow, Together. MMS second year students Ms. Purva, Ms. Saili and Ms. Revati were in the organizing committee and it was attended by 90 students. These were the various session themes conducted by our faculties. Moving ahead, on 25th January, Dr. Pallavi Chanvaskar on behalf of IQAC organized a training session for the new batch of MMS students which was conducted by MACCIA, the Maharashtra Chambers of Commerce, Industry and Agriculture and Jugaad Funda, in which 82 students got certification. From 27 January to 1st February, Dr. Smita Jape, Dr. Meenakshi Malhotra and Professor Krunal K. Punjani were invited as resource persons by G.H. Raisoni Institute of Management and Research, Nagpur, to deliver a 5 days FDP on how to write research paper in Scopus Journal. Next, on 27 January, Dr. Smita Jape, on behalf of IIC and IQAC, organized a session on the topic Setting the Right Career Direction, Are You Future Ready? The speaker of the session was Mr. Samir Apte. On 30th January, Dr. Smita Jape, on behalf of IIC and IQAC, coordinated a session for the students of MMS first year on topic Stop Existing, Start Living. The speaker of the session was Mr. Avirat Chete, a TEDx speaker.
In the month of January, Dr. Nitin Joshi has been invited as subject matter expert on Board of Studies in Interdisciplinary Science by Bandhodkar College of Science. Also, on 30th January, Professor Krunal K. Punjani conducted an online orientation session on National Innovation and Startup Policy. Dr. Nitin Joshi has been appointed on the advisory committee of Bachelor of Vocation as an academician in the field of sales and marketing by KG Joshi College of Arts. On 30th January, Swaranjali was organized in the institute by Dr. Meenakshi Malhotra, Professor Kanchan Akshay and Ms. Dipali Rindlekar. Faculty members, students, and alumni participated and showed their musical talent. Going ahead, on 30th and 31st January, Dr. Sridharan Menon, Professor Kanchan Akshay, and Professor Sandeep Moge successfully completed Be a Great Mentor, a practical guide to mentorship online course from Udemy. Going ahead, Dr. Nitin Joshi delivered a session on Discover the Leader in You for students of Vivekanand Education Society, Chembur. In the month of January, Dheya thanked and awarded Dr. Nitin Joshi with Swami Vivekananda badge for mentoring and impacting youth. Also, going ahead, Dr. Sridharan Menon has been selected a reviewer for Scopus Index Journal, the quarterly review of economics and finance. It was a prestigious moment for our institute as Dr. Nitin Joshi's research paper titled A Study of Expectations of Gen X and Gen Y Customers About Service Quality of Private Life Insurance Companies in Mumbai, which was presented during 15th International Conference on the theme Rethinking Business Strategies, Entrepreneurial Challenges and Societal Values in the Changed Global Scenario, received the Best Paper Award. From this month, as we have with us our new batch of MMS, we would like to show some of the prominent achievements of institute and students in the past 5 years. So now let's have a glance on them.
Our institute has grown year by year from higher education ranking to outstanding B School of Excellence to NAC B++ grade to platinum rating as per AICTE, and this journey of excellence will always continue. Our institute students have participated and won in various competitions conducted in the institute and in different colleges. We are glad to inform that some of our students have also won the BMA Inathon Dandekar Memorial Trophy in the year 2019, which is one of the proud moments for the students and the institute.
Now, let us have a look towards achievements of our MMS students for the month of January. Nikita Pogere from MMS first year. Vikas Chauhan from MMS first year. Isha Pal from MMS first year. Harshit Agavne from MMS second year. Parture from MMS second year. So these were the achievements and updates of various events that happened in month of January 2021. We would like to thank our director Dr. Nitin Joshi and our Director General Dr. Guruprasad Murthy for the constant support and motivation. We would also like to thank all the faculty members and the IT team for their support. We would like to thank the Student Engagement Committee for their efforts. We would like to thank each one of you for joining the event. Thank you for your kind support and cooperation. Stay safe.